Hi everyone, it's Dr. Justin Pariseau of Prairie State College here. I just wanted to point out a few resources that our amazing librarians at Prairie State College have added during this time while we're off campus, and many of us, including myself, are homeschooling our children at home while the schools are closed during the coronavirus pandemic. If you go to the Prairie State College main webpage and click on the library link, you'll see the book on the navigation page. You can click on that. It'll take you to the homepage for the Prairie State College Library. And if you scroll down, you'll see Homeschool for Everyone, Resources for Parents and Caregivers. If you click on that link, it'll take you to e-learning resources for parents. All of these are free resources, including one that's near and dear to my heart, the Colonial Williamsburg Education Resource Library, that provides a number of video resources, teacher learning guides, teacher learning plans, lesson plans, all kinds of interesting historical resources that you can use to teach your children civics and history. And as you scroll through, you'll see a lot of other materials here from Khan Academy, Learn to Type, PBS Kids Daily Newsletter. If you go over to the left, you'll see free and fun things to do while social distancing, as we're keeping our 6 feet distance away from each other to flatten the curve. You'll see resources about what is social distancing, book and streaming video, museum and art galleries. If we click on that, you'll see Explore Colonial Williamsburg from Home. Since none of us can really travel on vacation as of right now, you'll see the Explore from Home options that'll take you through teacher resources, an interactive timeline that you can use to teach older children about American history, posts having to do with different historical topics inside the Capitol training plans, 5 things you might not have known about Martha Washington. You can test your skills when it comes to knowledge of the 18th century. Some recipes if you're looking to test out some new recipes while we're stuck at home. And if you scroll down, different resources from the collections, video content, and coloring. So this is just a couple of examples of the different free resources that our library has made available, some of it having to do with history, since that's my area of interest. But if you go through and explore those resources, you might find something that's helpful to you during this time while we're all social distancing from one another for the greater good of our local community. Everybody stay well.